Do you see that? Oh my gosh. This is what the place looks like. Look at dolphins. Say hello. Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nuella. If you're new here, welcome to the lovely family. And on this channel I create beauty, fashion and lifestyle content. So if you're interested in all those type of juicy content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification to be notified each time I post. So from the title of this video, you guys already know what this video is all about. Okay, so I traveled to Odessa. I wanted to come here and do the intro because while editing it I realized that I didn't vlog much. In fact, I forgot to vlog. I went there for content, but I end up relaxing. I just wanted to relax and be taken care of. But yeah, I just decided to do the intro. I didn't vlog much, especially in the beach, and I actually regret it, but right now there's nothing I can do. So I hope you guys enjoy this little content. I promise I'll do better when next I travel. But yeah, enjoy. So guys, we came to the park. What the hell is shaking? What's this? I'm not doing this. Let go back. This is very, very scary. I would never. I got one. So guys, this is actually my first day in Odessa. We came early in the morning, and right now we went to the park and we are just coming back. So I decided to show you guys what the apartment looks like in Odessa. So come with me. So guys, right now we're actually going to head over to my apartment. I want to show you guys what the apartment looks like and what the rooms look like. So yeah. Yep. Welcome to my house. Come in. So first thing you're going to see when you enter is this. And yeah, this is the Wi-Fi. Then to my right you have the shower. You have where to brush. This is me. This is the bathing tub or whatever. Yep. This is the toilet. This is the washing machine. This is me. Let's go into the master bedroom. So this is actually the master bedroom. Hello, this is me again. This is what it looks like. Just, you know, just the normal thing. This is what it looks like. Your air condition. Moving on, we'll go to the kitchen. Somebody's doing food in the kitchen. We'll go to the kitchen. This is what the kitchen. This is what the kitchen looks like. This is the dining table, obviously, where you're going to eat. This is the microwave. We have the oven. This is actually our first day, so we haven't cooked anything. This is the cooker, and these are plates and everything. Basically, this is the refrigerator. We have a balcony where you can dry your clothes, and yeah, air condition. And let's go into the last room. Come with me. So this is actually the last room I want to show you guys. hotel. How does it look? It's just a basic room with a bed, with the normal light. We have the TV, we have mirror, another mirror. Hey, hello, that's me. Okay, and we have enough space for our stuffs. This is just my bag, this is television, and there is nothing I love more than a mirror. What's this thing called? A mirror. A mirror wardrobe. This is just the wardrobe, this is the bed, and this is the light, this is the side table, and yeah, guys, let me show you guys the view from here. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, this life's sweet, so only if you get money. Alright guys, so that's it for this house tour, apartment tour of what apartment in Odessa looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour, and I don't know if I'll add more content or this is just, no, I'm going to add more content. I'm going to show you guys my life in Odessa, how Odessa looks like, the beach. Oh, just wait for content, okay? So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Guys, enjoyed it. I had a very long day, and I'm very tired. So bye. Hello guys, it's my day 2 of staying in Odessa, and today we're going to the beach. So I just wanted to say that because, you know, I've been enjoying myself. Why does this mirror look dirty? So as I was saying, it's my day 2 in Odessa, and we're going to the beach. So yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along with me. I know I'm going to the beach looking like this, and it's weird. I'm going to swim because I'm going to wipe it off. I just wanted to take pictures, which I already did. So yeah, see you guys at the beach. I came here for content, and I want to go and enjoy myself. I want to go and swim, so I decided to show you guys around. Oh my god, people are looking at me. I decided to show you guys what the place looks like. Okay, 1 minute. This is what the place looks like. This is what it looks like. This is the beach. Where are all the boats that I've been seeing? These are the beach. This is what the place looks like. This is the all. This is not all, but this is all I can show. This is, yeah. This is like the toilet of the spa where we came to. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. This is me. Let's see the main toilet. Look at dolphins. Say hello.
And this is.
Is he not talking? What's wrong with it? Face me, Joe. What's he doing? God, if I had money, I would have taken one picture with this dolphin. I swear. There are 3.
4.
What's this one doing? I don't have money. Let's go. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog I remember to vlog. But yeah, Odessa is actually a very beautiful city, but I didn't get to vlog everything because I was lazy, and I'm sorry for that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification to be notified each time I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.